Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Beagles. Although beagles aren't as popular or common as poodles, they have proven to be an ideal furry companion for golden retrievers. Since they were initially bred to work together in packs, beagles make excellent companion dogs. They greatly prefer camaraderie and love getting along well with other dog breeds.
Let's help you make your mark.
The National Beagle Club of America says that beagles are excellent family companions. Their low maintenance cost and their affectionate, yet independent, temperament make them an ideal pet for many families.
Make your mark, take our lead.
While they are busy tracking whatever scent gets their interest, they will not pay any attention to cars. Next, most beagles will bark and howl on occasion, and this can be a great source of annoyance for neighbors. And lastly, beagles shed a lot. This is how all short-haired dogs maintain their coat length.
Let's help you make your mark.
Beagles have a playful, loving, and even temperament. They seldom exhibit aggressive behavior toward little ones and love being around humans. This trait is perhaps what makes them so desirable and popular as pets.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.